If you're watching this, then there's probably a pretty good chance that we've talked about working together. And I know you're thinking, great, another influencer asking for free stuff. I get it. The word influencer has gotten a pretty bad reputation, and honestly, some of it has been earned. But that's not how we approach it at Dang That's Awesome. See, we're a food, travel, and experience-based media brand. My job isn't to show up, get something for free, take a few pictures, and disappear. My job is to figure out what makes your business interesting and turn that into content that people actually want to watch. That can mean telling the story of a restaurant, showing people what it's like to stay in a hotel or vacation rental, walking somebody through an experience or an event, or creating photo or video assets for your business to use in your own marketing. But there's something really important that I want businesses to understand. There's a big difference between hosted collaborations and paid partnerships. A hosted collaboration usually means the business provides a meal or lodging or admission, and in exchange, it gives the content creator a good opportunity to create videos. And sometimes those make absolutely perfect sense, but they're also limited because we're still making story-based content. It just might not have any deliverables or any real expectations for growth. And the content is often also not created with the larger marketing strategy in mind. Now, a paid partnership is completely different. That's when we sit down and we try to figure out a few things. What are we trying to accomplish? Who are we trying to get to view our videos? And what do we want people to know? And honestly, what kind of content gives us the best chance for people to take action? Now, with paid partnerships, we're able to create content based around those goals. See, we're creating content with one thing in mind, making your business stand out. And see, that's where I think creator marketing is significantly more valuable. Not because paying money magically guarantees views or virality, but a paid partnership gives us the time, strategy, production, editing, and deliverables to make sure that your business stands out. Because views themselves really aren't the goal. The goal is getting the content in front of the right person. The ones that are gonna wanna think, I wanna go there. I wanna try that. I wanna book that. Now, I do wanna let you know that no matter which way we work together, you're not buying my opinion. My audience trusts me because we're genuine here at Dang That's Awesome. If I start telling people that everything was perfect just because I got paid, that genuinity leaves and the trust would disappear pretty quickly. And without that trust, none of this works. So the question is what are you paying for? You're paying for my experience as a creator, the storytelling, the filming, the editing, the strategy, and the distribution, and the skill to take what makes your business interesting and turn it into something that people want to watch. So as you can see, everything starts with the viewer, and that's how I approach my creator marketing. So let me just tell you, if you're looking to exchange a free meal for a quick social media post, there are tons of other influencers out there. But if you want somebody who is actually going to focus on the story, your business, the content itself, the audience, and what we're trying to accomplish, that's where I think Dang That's Awesome can create something significant for you. So go ahead and take a look at the rest of this page. You'll see how I work, what I do, and what I don't do. And if you think that we're a good fit to do something awesome, go ahead and apply down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.